Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be walking you through how to potentially qualify for $2,000 worth airdrop on $5 investment. Potentially qualify for this. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video. Make sure you stick around for you to be able to get the actual value in this video. So at the end of the video, you're going to understand what I'm talking about on this video. So make sure you stick around at the end of the video. So first thing I need to show you guys is 2000 airdrop on $5 investment. This is layer zero strategy. We will try to qualify for the potential layer zero airdrop, not confirmed yet, but highly likely as they have mentioned their token name ZRO. If you can see the one layer zero endpoints, they mention the token name. If you can see Z0 on their coding stuff on their platform, that's how people know that they are going to make a drop on their platform. Then they are going to have a token on their platform. So what is layer zero? You need to read this. I just want to give you the information you need about this, the the airdrop. Why it could a big airdrop? Strategy Finance recently raising whopping and 135 million funding led by this capital. They are trying to say the platform how to qualify for the potential airdrop. There are few platforms that are currently live on layer zero. Some of them are free testnet, and some will cost some money. But since the goal is to get it done under $5, I will share the mood first, but we also cover some other ways that may increase the chance of getting the airdrop. First, the first mode will cost around $5. Be a DAO voter on of strategy finance. So it's the first layer zero protocol that is live and already be used. So as a DAO voter on Stargate finance, we can potentially for the layer zero airdrop. How to be a voter? Buy a $1 worth of STG token and swap on Uniswap or any platform. Go to the staking, then stake. So I'm going to walk you through on this thing. I want to make this video as short as possible for you to be able to understand. So I'm going to make this demonstration for you how to do this. So I'm going to minimize this step, or I'm going to continue the second way. Again, you can use USDT layer zero bridge for you to be able to just use the bridge to transfer money from another bridge to another bridge, like you are transferring money from layer zero to Binance or Ethereum. So for you to be able to qualify for this, then provide a liquidity swap. That means swap. That's basically what I just said now. You need to swap, then that's just it. So the first step, let me show you. So if you are getting value in this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell. Let me go to my let me press this, the staking. Where is this? The staking network. So I'm going to press this, then I'm going to connect my wallet, my MetaMask wallet. I think I cannot do this on this browser over here. I'm just going to copy this and go to my MetaMask. I'm just going to press, I don't know what else, but I'm just going to press join, and so definitely I've joined. Then I'm going to go back. This, I'm going to go back. Then I've already staked. So if you have not staked before, then your token, then you're going to find this available, then you stake. Then after staking, then you have um this dashboard here saying I stake 6.64 worth of STG token. So I'm waiting for the next government vote for me to be able to vote. So with that, potentially putting myself to be able to get the airdrop once this airdrop on layer 0 come up. People that are a DAO voter on what do they call it, on this network, on this platform. So I'm going to go to this forum, then I'm going to check this new. There is nothing new. I'm not passing any new proposal. So that's how basically this way you are going to make this. You're going to vote, then make this stake. You need to stake your coin. Then let me show you about this bridge. This is the bridge over here. This is the button transfer. Then you can transfer, let's say transfer from Matic to um to Arbitrum. Then just send this. Just send this. I don't have a USDT on my network, on my account, but you can just send this. Maybe you press max, then send the. You are going to receive this on the other network. So doing this, you have used the network, so you are like 80%. You have 80% chance of getting this airdrop. So that's how basically you put yourself in a good spot to be able to potential spot to be able to get this airdrop. So that's what you need to do. Then I'm going to make a video on some other altcoin that you can potentially get, that put yourself on the line for you to be able to get this airdrop also. So turn up the notification bell, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to drop what do you think about this and your thought on the comment section.